Eric Muathe from Muathe.com with another look at IPOs. Let's take an example here that I just came across. So the stock here IPO'd sometime in, let's call it about late 2015, and the first couple of months of trading were down, and then we see towards late 2016 we had this nice explosive move. What changed? Now, because it's an IPO on the monthly charts, we don't have fully developed RSI, so we have to go to the next time frame, which is the weekly, where we find fully developed RSI and MACD, so we can use the minimum requirements of the ultimate Muathe breakout. And if you want to go straight to the IPO examples, take a look at this playlist. Lots of videos pretty much talking about the next couple of observations when trying to time IPOs. And to sum it up, for IPOs, what you do is use the same ultimate Muathe breakout setup that we use on monthly charts, but this time use it on weekly charts, since here this is the fully developed chart. As the stock was trading sideways, we see at some point, let's figure out where the RSIs and MACDs went to 3-year highs, all-time highs on the weekly chart, and I can see there was a breakout here. This breakout was sometime in, let's call it about October 2016. We're talking about this time period here, and let's check and see whether it meets the minimum requirement. And we can see yes, it does. RSI here was moving to 3-year highs. Excuse me, RSI was moving to all-time highs. Sorry about that. And here we can see that the MACDs were also moving to all-time highs. In fact, both MACDs moved to all-time highs and were both trading above zero for the first time. So there was your first breakout that met the minimum requirements. Here we can see another breakout, and it is this time frame here. And going back to this weekly closing high, the stock comes back after a period of down weeks, breaks out. Let me take that off because it's a little bit confusing. So we're talking about this time period here. Price breaks out, your RSI moves to all-time highs, RSI moves above 61.8 for the first time ever, and this corresponds nicely with the MACDs also jumping to all-time highs. So to crystallize that time period, we're talking about this second breakout here. And as you can see, it met the minimum requirements, RSI and MACDs moving to all-time highs. And even on this chart, we can see another recent breakout. After a couple of weeks of settling down, stock comes and breaks out. This was about 3 weeks ago. Nice breakout. Your RSI moves to an all-time high. RSI is trading well above 69.1, which is a sign of superior technical setup, and the MACDs were not to be left behind. Clearly the MACDs were already trading at all-time highs. So you got your minimum requirements met with the MACDs moving to all-time highs. RSI was also moving to all-time highs on the weekly. So basically that is how you time IPOs. And if your monthly charts are not fully developed, go to the next time frame, which is the weekly chart. If you have fully developed indicators, look for the ultimate Muathe breakout. If the weekly charts are not fully developed, take a look at the daily. If the daily has fully developed indicators, then you can look for the ultimate Muathe breakout for your first sign that the stock is about to explode. If you don't have fully developed daily indicators, take a look at the hourly and see whether they have fully developed indicators. If they do, look for the ultimate Muathe breakout on the hourly. And if you don't have fully developed hourly indicators, you can even go to the minute chart for an IPO. Try and figure out where it has the ultimate Muathe breakout being displayed. So pretty much that's how you time IPOs. Go to the time frame that has the fully developed indicators and use those to try and find the setup, which is the ultimate Muathe breakout. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS.